We'll guide you through how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be frustrating as you can end up missing important emails. So we've got some different fixes you can try. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Without any other further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you can try doing is just dragging down and refreshing like so. Go and see if that goes and solves it. Next, you can go and press the lines in the top left. Just make sure you're looking at the correct inbox if you've got multiple. You can go and press all inboxes to go and see them all there. Next, what you can do is press the three lines in the top left and scroll all the way down to settings. Then you want to go and press general settings. Then press the three dots in the top right and go and press manage accounts. Make sure auto sync is switched on like so, or go and press OK. Go and see if it now starts working. If it still doesn't, what you want to do is come out of it, find the Gmail app and tap and hold it. In this pop-up, press the I in the top right. Come to notifications, make sure they're allowed just so you get notified when you get an email. Next, you want to scroll down and go and find storage. Go to the bottom right and try clearing the cache. Return to Gmail and hopefully you're now receiving emails. Leave a like if you found this useful.